Hello, Daryl here. The channel is Programming in Any Language. The supporting website is www.black-duck.com. The video is Phone Number Application Part 3. In the intermediate list box, we now have a set of phone numbers that are similar in length and contain nothing but digits. There are a couple of ways to format these numbers. The approach we're going to use here is the substring method combined with concatenation. In other words, we're going to extract the area code, the exchange, and the remaining four numbers into separate variables, and then combine those three variables with a set of parentheses, a space, and a dash. The result will be placed in the output list box. The process looks like this.
The next piece we're going to do is we're going to have to go ahead, let's go ahead and take this comment out of here. We're going to have to format the output. So formatting the output means we're going to create another method. And we'll do it right here. And we'll say private void format output. And we'll put our braces in. And that'll create that next one. So that's good shape. It gets rid of this error. Now all of you do is actually write this thing and make it all happen. So we're going to put a couple of variables together. We're going to have an string, a string, str, intermediate phone. Intermediate phone. And why? We want that to hold intermediate phone or record for formatting. We're going to go step through the intermediate file and we're going to pull it and we're going to pull that record in so we can format it. Then we're going to have a string, str output phone. And that's going to hold formatted output phone. We're also going to have a string string area code, because we're going to pull the area code off the record. So we're going to hold extracted area code. We're going to have a string str exchange. This is going to hold extracted exchange. Let's get rid of that E, just so that it's a comment, so I don't usually worry too much about that. And finally, the string str number, the actual number that the phone is after the exchange, and holds extracted number. So for int I equals 0, I is less than the intermediate size. See, this is helping with this thing right here. I'm going to let that go though right now, and I'm going to go ahead and say that I plus plus, and then go over here and create our block. But I'm going to change this right now to intermediate. I'm looking at the intermediate file. LBX intermediate. I think that's right. What it's called, right? Intermediate. .items account. Why is that giving me an error? Intermediate. Oh, mediate. Because I can't spell. That's why. Now it's in good shape. So that's our intermediate file. It's this guy right here. So let's go ahead and do that. We've got this loop in here. And once we got that loop, we're going to take that first one. The first thing we do is we take str intermediate phone and make that equal to LBX intermediate .items .I to string, and I'm going to just say / pull record from list box. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to send that string area code is going to be equal to str intermediate phone dot substring. We're going to use the method here, substring, starting in 0 for a length of 3, and this is going to pull area code. str exchange is going to be equal to str intermediate code substring starting with 3, starting actually with 3, comma for 3, pull exchange. And finally, str number is going to be equal to str, not starting at 4, starting at 6. The 6th position, and we're not going to leave. We don't need anything else in this, so we can just put the comment on here And we don't need the count part in this substring because we're going to grab everything after the number begins. So it'll bring in 4 characters. And we can say here, pull number. That gives us the 3 pieces we need for our phone. Now we can put it together. So, concatenate output phone number. How do we do that? Well, we simply say str output phone is equal to parentheses plus str area code plus in parentheses and a space plus the str exchange plus, oops, we don't want this, exchange plus a dash hyphen plus str number, and that should pretty much do it. Now we're going to say lbx output. We're going to go to the output items add string intermediate, not intermediate phone, output phone. Changes to output phone, and that will add to output list box. File save all. Let's take a look. See if we have errors this time. We'll do our read file, grab our phone number, open it. There's our input. We'll process it. Does our stuff, formats it, ready to go. All we need to do is write the save file, and we've written the output file routine.
We're done. Except we haven't saved the file. That piece is short, and we'll look at that next. Thanks for watching. Visit the website when you get a chance, and please subscribe to the channel. There's more stuff coming every week. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.